in the big construction. The tough trucks work with all their to build a building, make a to get the job done, load by. The sun has set, the work is. It's time for trucks to end their. So one by one they'll go to yawn and rest their sleepy. Then wake up to another of rough and tough construction. Yay! Working hard to help his crane truck raises one last. Reaching, stretching, lifting. He swings the beam into the. He'll set it down right on its. Then off to bed. It's almost.
A bunny!
Yeah, his birdie's there. He slowly folds his boom back. And then with one last sleepy. Let's do it. He takes a bath. He takes a bath, gets shiny. Yeah, pulls up his chute, turns off his light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly. Shh. Good night, cement mixer. Good night.
Put down! Hey, put down!
Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to. Then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch. Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep.
Hey, put down!
He lowers his bed, locks his.
Put down!
Hey, pipe down!
Like that!
Locks his gate, rests his wheels, it's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to.
That's noise.
Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night. What's this one?
Mom.
Which one is this? Pushing with, yeah, he roars. Pushing with his mighty blade. Bulldozer works to smooth the. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous roar. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track.
Buddy!
Yeah. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Good night. Oh, who's this? Which one's this?
That's Scooping Swallow.
The excavator.
That's the gale.
Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand. Excavator shapes the.
Yeah.
He digs and lifts throughout the.
Day.
But now it's time to end his play.
Day.
A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the. Yeah. He yawns, he twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, excavator. You didn't say. These big trucks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud.
Is that star?
Yeah, he's got a star. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to turn off your engine, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stocks and backs. No more hauling, or no more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your head and breathe. Construction site, all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today now. Shh. You do it. Good night. The end.
And this is this cow polo.
Are you still recording us?
No, shit.